They say it's a process. Healing from trauma is a process too. Take time to heal, take time to unlearn unhealthy ways of coping, and be patient with yourself. You can't rush the process. Remember, all parts are welcome. You may want to reject those parts that are really painful and difficult and feel distressing. At the end of the day, we need to acknowledge that there's a reason why you feel what you feel. You can't suppress those moments, you can't suppress those feelings. You make room for all that you are as you navigate through the process of healing from trauma. Just take one day at a time and find something that works for you. Some people will want to help other people, they will want to do voluntary work, they will want to give back to the community. Sometimes people will engage in activities, sport, running, whatever it is that helps you to cope. When you do feel like you need to work with somebody, then find a therapist that really acknowledges who you are and creates that safe space where you don't have to worry about what you're going to say. You don't have to worry about what's going to come up in the session. You feel completely safe and contained so that you don't have to do the extra work of thinking, well, should I be saying this, should I be saying that? So the other thing, trauma gets caught up in the body. It's not all about the mind. So in therapy, we do look at what people report. All the clients will notice their body sensations. Sometimes they have a felt sense of something before they know what that is. The body remembers and it knows when something is not right. So when you're in a situation that's making you feel a certain way and you feel like you are on edge and you feel like something is just not adding up, pay attention, because it's your body trying to tell you to tread with care. And that goes with friendships, relationships, situationships. Just don't put up with things that actually are causing you a lot of discomfort, where you are having to almost minimize yourself in order to be part of that. So sometimes we come across situations that will remind us of our trauma, and the tendency is to want to run away as well. But when you are in therapy, we look at how you can confront that in a safe space, obviously. Good therapy acknowledges the role of the body. So a good therapist will be able to guide you through everything you need to know and everything you need to do. Just remember to ask questions. There is no wrong or right way of feeling what you feel, so just go with it and be able to turn up for your sessions prepared to work hard. And there is lots of homework in trauma. There is lots of things you need to monitor, behavioral change. You discover new meanings. You discover how strong you are. You discover how powerful you are. When you start trauma therapy, you will learn about all the dysfunctional ways of being. But then we call it dysfunctional now. But at the time when you are going through those challenges, let's say in childhood, they saved you, they helped you to cope, they helped you to live day by day, knowing what you needed to do in order to be safe and in order to be okay and to carry on. As we talk about, these maladaptive ways of coping, we are looking at some of the things that we do to be able to feel safe, to self-soothe. When somebody remembers something that is really, really painful, they may comfort it. They may grab a bottle of alcohol, they may smoke things, drugs. They may just want to disconnect emotionally, spending lots of time on social media, as we all do sometimes, but sometimes that's serving a purpose in order to distance yourself from what's causing the emotional pain. And it may also be excessive shopping. You shop for things you don't even need. Or it could be sleeping, escaping, just sleeping. Or it could be sometimes just doing things for other people, people pleasing and doing lots of things, just worrying about other people can help you to disconnect from that sense of threat that you carry with every day. If you do want to start therapy, right, we are here, Fresh Start Psychological Services at Gatcombe House. And you can contact us on 07395 814312. Or send us an email, and our email address is that.